The benefits of Srikaya fruit for the body. Srikaya fruit, also known as sugar apple or custard apple, is a tropical fruit that is native to South and Central America but is also widely cultivated in Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Here are some potential benefits of Srikaya fruit for the body. Good source of nutrients. Srikaya fruit is rich in vitamins C and B6, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. It also contains fiber, which is important for digestive health. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin C content in Srikaya fruit helps to strengthen the immune system, making it more resistant to infections and diseases. Aids digestion. The fiber in Srikaya fruit can help to regulate digestion, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Supports heart health. Srikaya fruit is low in sodium and high in potassium, which can help to regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. May have anti-cancer properties. Some studies have suggested that the compounds in Srikaya fruit may have anti-cancer properties, potentially helping to prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. May help with weight loss. The fiber in Srikaya fruit can help to promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite, potentially aiding in weight loss efforts. Good for skin and hair. The high vitamin C content in Srikaya fruit can help to promote healthy skin and hair, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving overall skin texture. It's worth noting that more research is needed to confirm the potential health benefits of Srikaya fruit, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet.